Hi, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a collective haul of items that I have recently picked up from quite a few stores, including Ross, TJMaxx, HomeGoods. Most of my stores are combined, Ross and TJMaxx stores, as well as a couple of items from Walmart. Now, I guess the common theme here is gold with a little bit of silver. So this is definitely a GLAM home decor haul, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the item, I guess, front and center, and that is the archaeology candle that I picked up from Ross. It is a mercury glass candle, and it is actually the top half. The top half is a gold, and the bottom is a silver. But what caught my attention, obviously, was the beautiful wood rustic lid. This candle is white, and it is a 2-wick. So this is sandalwood and honey, and it's definitely a strong honey, so it is a very sweet scent. But I did pick that up at Ross for $7.99. So I picked that one up, but prior to that, I did find this one in another Ross. So this one is also the Archaeology brand. So it is an all gold mercury glass container. This one is in the scent champagne and grapefruit, but the grapefruit is definitely strong, so it's definitely citrusy. Stainless steel lid, and this one was $8.99 also at Ross. So this candle is also white, and this candle I think is the same size as the other one, but for some reason this one is a 1-wick and the other is a 2-wick. So as I said, I found this one in the first store, so I grabbed this, but then I also found the other one in another Ross. So I have another candle, and it isn't gold, but it is equally as glam, and that is the silver diamond-shaped candle. Now this is a very shimmery silver candle. I like the fact that it's textured. It is a white candle with a single wick. The lid actually reads bloom and prosper, and it is a brilliant citrus. So it actually smells very similar to the grapefruit and champagne candle. For $5.99 also at Ross. So I found these cute spring decorative pieces, and they both come with the gold bases. This one is more textured, but definitely has some faux greenery in there. I found this one for $7.99. So I think I saw this one first, and so I threw it in my cart. But then as I continued to shop, I found this one displaced. So I could not decide which one I like more, but I can only keep one. So this one is an all gold, but it's smooth, not textured. And it also has greens, but it's longer. It has the same, it looks to me like it has the same type of greens and then the additional longer stems in there. So this one was a little bit bigger and therefore a little bit more in price. This one was $9.99. But I cannot decide which one I want to keep. So please comment down below whether or not I should keep the one on the left or the one on the right, because I thought that once I got home it would make it easier for me to decide, and I love them both, but I don't think I should keep them both. So please comment down below. Okay, some additional items that I purchased. Stainless steel rolling pin, also from Ross. So I stood there in the store trying to count the number of times in my life that I've actually used a rolling pin. And the reality is I couldn't count more than a couple. But I thought that the gold rolling pin was so beautiful that I could not leave it in the store. So it is a gold stainless steel rolling pin with beautiful wooden handles, and I found this at Ross for $7.99. So I went ahead and picked that up. But I committed to making some homemade tortillas this summer, so we'll see how that goes. So again, I think I have recently over the last year picked up a lot of gold accent pieces which are obviously functional as well for the kitchen. So I'm excited about incorporating this gold piece as well. So also from Ross, this cute USB car charger for $6.99. Now I have found gold car chargers before, but most of them are either a champagne or a light gold, and this one is definitely a gold with a beautiful gloss there. So I thought this was beautiful. $6.99, I would get that as well. In the clearance section at TJMaxx, I found a couple of pieces that I couldn't leave as well. And that includes this mercury glass fishbowl that has a silver interior, gold on the outside. This one was on clearance for $3, and this is much larger than the ones you would find, say, at the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and snagged that as well. And then the final item that I grabbed from TJMaxx was this bunny. I found this bunny that I found on clearance as well. So this is a cute mercury glass bunny that I recall seeing during the regular season as well as last year, but I thought that the price point was too high because I wanted obviously multiple of them. So for clearance, $6, I went ahead and snagged that up and snagged it up, and I'm excited to use it in my decor for next Easter. So I found these notepads in a white and metallic gold at Walmart for 88 cents. They look very similar to the ones you would find at HomeGoods with a magnetic back, but those are usually $5.99, or should I say $4.99 and up. So I thought 88 cents at Walmart was a great price point, so I stocked up on these. A home decor piece that I found at Walmart was this Better Homes and Garden brush bowl. Now this is obviously for the toilet in the bathroom, but I picked up a brushed gold toilet cleaner. Now I believe this was $12, and it looked like much better quality than the one I recently picked up from Amazon that was half gold, half white. They ended up being a very cheap plastic. So this looks really great quality, and I like that it doesn't immediately shout out what it is. So I grabbed this for $12, and I'm excited about adding that to the main hallway guest bathroom. And then the final item that I picked up at these gold and white popcorn tins. Now they're very similar to the ones that Target Dollar Spot has a couple of times a year, and I think I've even hauled some from Target before in a teal, but I found these in a beautiful gold. Now it's not your normal dull tan or brown that some manufacturers tend to advertise as gold. If you see it in the light there, it does shimmer a little. So this is a beautiful gold and white, something that I've never seen before in terms of a very functional plastic container for housing popcorn. So I grabbed the 3 that my store had, and then I also grabbed the family size tin, which I believe was $2 and some change. I'm excited about using those for the next movie night. So I think that is pretty much it. I grabbed a few more items, but I went ahead and separated the other items into other videos. So if you are interested in marble and rose gold, please be sure to subscribe so that you can see those videos as well. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and as always, have a great day.